Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're rocking a Samsung Galaxy phone, you're about to level up your experience. Today I'm showing you 10 incredible useful features that will seriously improve your daily phone use. So from boosting call quality to customizing your lock screen and controlling your phone without even touching it. So these are the game-changing tips that most people don't know about. So make sure you watch till the end and don't forget to like, comment your favorite feature and hit that subscribe button for more smart tech tips every day. So feature number one is where you have your voice focus for crystal clear calls. So on your Samsung S24 Ultra, you have a feature called voice focus for crystal clear calls. So this improves your call quality by reducing the background noise. So let me show you how to enable this. So before we begin, you want to first go ahead and make a call. So let's get into a call. Now, once you're in a call, you want to go ahead and swipe down from the top here. And now you want to go ahead and find this mic mode. So as you can see, currently I am already on voice focus. However, for you, you'll be on standard. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and turn this to voice focus. So once you've done this, you'll have voice focus mode for crystal clear calls. So this is great for noisy places. People on the other end will hear you, but will not hear the surrounding. So you could be maybe in a marketplace or maybe in a factory and people cannot hear the background voice. They'll only be able to hear your voice. Once done, press done. Go back and go ahead and continue with your call. Feature number two is where you can manage notifications by categories. So on your Samsung S24 Ultra, if you want to filter out any annoying notifications and only show you what matters, then let me show you how to do this. So here you want to go ahead and first bring down the quick panel menu, tap on settings. You want to go ahead and scroll down and find notifications. Now from here, you want to go ahead and find advanced settings. Now here you want to go ahead and find manage notification categories for each app. Go ahead and turn this feature on. Now you want to go ahead and tap home. And let's just say, for example, you want to manage the notification category for TikTok. So go ahead and long press on this. Now you want to go ahead and tap on the eye. Now here you want to go ahead and find notification. Turn this notification on. Go ahead and scroll down and find notification categories. Tap on this. And here, these are all the notifications you can allow on TikTok. So you can have notifications for audio live, for something here, for uploading, for comments, for daily notifications, for likes, videos, new followers, direct message, and so on. So here you can go ahead and control what notifications you want to see. If you don't want to see your daily likes notification, go ahead and turn this off. So you won't have any notifications for likes. For new followers, turn this off as well. And you can go ahead and choose what notifications you want turning on and turning off. So this basically reduces your distraction and lets you focus only on the alerts that you care about. Feature number three is where you can have lock screen shortcuts. So on your Samsung S24 Ultra, you can replace all these default apps to something else. So let me show you how to do this. So here on your lock screen, you're going to go ahead and long press on it. Go ahead and authenticate using your fingerprint or your face. Now, once that's authenticated, at the bottom left here, you'll see two icons. You can go ahead and tap on it and you can change it to whatever you like. So let's just say, for example, I'll change this to a torch. Now, bottom right, I can go ahead and change this to any actions. Or if I scroll down, I can even change it to an app. So let's just say I want a calculator here. Now you can go ahead and tap on done. And then once you're on your lock screen, you can go ahead and turn on the torch this way. So your torch is turned on. To turn it off, just go ahead and swipe up again. You can even turn on your calculator. So here, no unlocking is required. So you have instant access to what you need, and it's always great for one-handed use. Feature number four is where you can have lock screen camera widget. So on your Samsung S24 Ultra, you can launch specific camera modes like Pro or Slow-Mo directly from your lock screen. So let me show you how to do this. So here on your lock screen, you want to go ahead and long press on it. Go ahead and authenticate this by your fingerprint or pin or the face. Next, you want to go ahead and tap on your widget area here. So you'll see add widget. Tap on that. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down and find camera. Here you can go ahead and choose the custom camera mode. Next, tap done. Now go ahead and tap on start. Go ahead and authenticate. Now you want to go ahead and choose what your camera mode will do. So here you can go ahead and give it a name. So let's just say rear camera. So the starting mode will be the rear camera. However, in what mode you can choose portrait, video pro, pro video, night, food, and many more. So I'll just go ahead and choose a video. Go back. Choose if you want a watermark. and set the picture to save to any location you like. Once you're happy, tap save. Now go ahead and lock your screen. And now when you want to use that camera mode, you can go ahead and tap on this. Go ahead and authenticate with your fingerprint. And this will automatically start the camera mode which you have set. So this basically skips steps and captures a moment faster than ever on your Samsung S25 Ultra. Feature number 5 is where you can answer calls with your voice. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can answer or reject calls hands-free with the help of Bixby. So Bixby is like a Samsung assistant, which is built into your phone, similar to Google Assistant. So first, you want to go ahead and open up the phone app. Next, tap on the 3 dots and then tap on settings. Now from here, find answering and ending calls, which is right here. From here, you want to go ahead and find enable read caller names aloud. So go ahead and turn this feature on. So you want to put down as always. Now you want to press home. You want to find the Bixby app. From here, you want to go ahead and tap on settings. And now here, you want to go ahead and find the option talk to Bixby without wake up. Go ahead and turn this feature on. So here, if you scroll down, you'll find all the supported commands. So for phone, for alarm, for timer. So if you want to answer a phone, you can say answer phone, reject calls. You can even set alarm. So dismiss alarm, dismiss timer, restart, snooze, and so on. So this is great when your hands are busy, like cooking or working out, or even when you're sleeping. You can even quiet your alarm. So you can snooze it, you can restart it, you can dismiss the alarm, and so on. Feature number 6 is where you can keep your screen on while viewing. So on your Samsung S24 Ultra, you can prevent the screen from dimming or locking while you're looking at it. So for example, if you're reading a long article or maybe you're watching a video, your screen basically thinks that no action is there, and hence it basically just tries to dim the screen, trying to save the battery. However, you can stop this from happening by turning on a setting on your Samsung S24 Ultra. So to do this, you want to first go ahead and open up your quick panel menu. Tap on settings. You want to go ahead and scroll down and find display. Now from here, you want to go ahead and find screen timeout, which is right here. Now here, you want to go ahead and find the option called keep screen on while viewing, which is right here. So this will keep the screen on while you're looking at it. So it'll use this front camera here to detect if your face is there or not. So turn this feature on. Now, when you're watching a video or when you're reading an article on your Samsung S25 Ultra, this camera here will keep looking at your face and will see that if the face is there, it'll keep the screen on. If it detects no face, it'll then dim the screen. So this is ideal for reading articles or viewing photos. No more tapping to keep the screen awake on your Samsung S25 Ultra. Feature number 7 is where you can have mini call pop-up. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can keep the calls from taking over your screen while you're using other apps. So here as an example, I've got a call open. If I open up Google, I can go ahead and leave this as a pop-up so I can also see another app while I'm using the call. So let me show you how to turn on this feature called the mini call pop-up on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So here you want to go ahead and first open up the call app. Then tap on 3 dots, the top right, and then tap on settings. Now from here, you want to go ahead and find the option called call display while using apps. So this is right here. So this is how it is going to show right now. So when you're using an app, it'll show it in a full screen. However, you can go ahead and choose a small pop-up or a mini pop-up. So you can go ahead and choose any you like. So let's just put down a mini pop-up. Now next, you want to go ahead and enable this option here, keep calls in pop-up. So after calls are answered, keep them in the pop-up always. So now if you restart that call, so as you can see, this will come up as a pop-up view on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So this basically stays in the zone and callers won't interrupt your screen while you're looking at something else or looking at another app. Feature number 8 is where you can improve your fingerprint and face unlock. So sometimes when you're trying to unlock your device and you're using your fingerprint or maybe you're using a face, sometimes due to the condition around you, your phone is not detecting your face, or maybe your fingers are dirty and it's not detecting your fingerprint. So let me show you how to improve the fingerprint and your face unlock on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So to improve your face unlock, you want to go ahead and first go into settings, scroll down and find security and privacy. From here, find screen lock and biometrics. Go ahead and enter in your PIN number. Now from here, you want to go ahead and find face recognition. Now here, you want to go ahead and find this option called brighten screen. So this will increase the brightness temporarily so your face can be recognized in the dark. So make sure you turn this feature on. So this is for better recognition in the dark. Now for your fingerprint, you want to go back, you want to find fingerprints. And now here you want to go ahead and add a fingerprint, and you want to register the fingerprint which you use quite regularly. So I know there is already one registered here. However, you can go ahead and register a second copy of the primary fingerprint for better accuracy. So this way you have fewer unlock errors and you have faster access to your phone. So go ahead and do this. And once you do this, you'll have your primary fingerprint added to this list. Because there are 2 copies, the accuracy has increased for unlocking your Samsung S25 Ultra. Feature number 9 is where you can have your smart lock screen widgets. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can add widgets to your voice memos, steps, weather, and more right on the lock screen. So let me show you how to do this. So here you want to go ahead and lock your screen. Next, wake it up. Go ahead and long press on it, and then go ahead and authenticate this. Now here, if you want to go ahead and add smart lock widgets, go ahead and tap on the widgets. Now from here, you can go ahead and add any smart lock screen widgets for your Samsung S25 Ultra. So here you can go ahead and add a voice recorder. You can record a voice without even unlocking it. You can open up an interpreter so you can do a listening or conversation mode. You can even look at your calendar. So this way you have quick access to essential info without unlocking your phone. Feature number 10 is where you can have a voice recorder on your lock screen. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can start a voice recording without even unlocking your screen. So let me show you how to do this. So here on your lock screen, you want to go ahead and long press on it. Go ahead and authenticate the device. Next, just under the time, go ahead and tap on Add Widgets. From here, scroll down and find the voice recorder. Tap on this, and here you can go ahead and choose the 2 widgets, which are voice recorder 1 by 1 and the voice recorder 2 by 1. Go ahead and choose any of them, then press on done. And then now when you're on your lock screen here, to start recording without even unlocking your device, just go ahead and tap on the voice recorder. This will start recording. As you can see, that's recording. If you want to stop it, go ahead and tap on stop, and this will stop recording. So this captures your thoughts and ideas in seconds, even when the screen is locked. So this is great as you don't need to unlock your device. Just go ahead and tap on this. This will start recording, tap on it again, and this will stop recording. And that's it. 10 killer features that will make your Samsung Galaxy smarter, faster, and way more enjoyable to use. If you found this helpful, do me a favor, like this video, drop a comment with your favorite feature, and subscribe so you don't miss out the next round of awesome tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.